I don't think I'll forget where I was when I received the email informing me that I'd been selected for the Just Smith Morrill um, lectureship opportunity. I was trying to work on some old expenses in the business office, and I had to look twice. And then I had to go to Google to see if that was really even possible, that I was maybe selected for this great honor.
As the first woman to be recognized with the Morrill Award, I think she's going to look forward to the future. What does this mean? Where is the land grant system going, and the role of the faculty member in that process?
The history of the land grants is known, not known to everyone, but I think how someone earlier mid-career such as myself is functioning in the current land grant and what we see for the future, or what I hypothesize will be there, it's going to be fun to go through that exercise of putting those thoughts to paper.
From all of us in food science, congratulations, Haley. We're super proud of you.